everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. If you want to keep your phone safe and secure, setting up a screen lock on your Android device is the easiest way to protect your data. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable a screen lock in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Now scroll down for Security option and tap on it. Now tap on Screen Lock or Screen Lock Type. Here you will see different options to secure your phone. So here you can either normally swipe up the screen or draw a unique pattern to unlock, or even use a 4 or 6-digit number, or set a strong alphanumeric password, or even fingerprint or face unlock if supported. It uses biometrics for extra security. For this tutorial, I will use PIN. Enter your desired PIN and tap Next. Re-enter your PIN and tap Confirm. If you want, you can customize your lock settings like hiding notifications or setting an auto lock timer. So for now, I'll be choosing to show all notification content and tap Done. Finally, lock your phone and try unlocking it using your new screen lock. If everything works fine, you are all set. And yes, that's it. Your phone is now secure with the screen lock. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.